and this is where I'm coming to you guys to ask the question, do you know, is there decals available just like maybe aftermarket? Welcome back to the workbench, where we try to make things. And it's Monday, so we're back working on Monogram's Heavy Chevy Chevelle. This is the Buddy's Buddy build, the build that we're basing off of a buddy of mine's Buddy's Chevelle. If you'd like to get caught up on this build, there is a link down in the description to a playlist where you can get completely caught up to where we are right now. And where we are right now is, well, two quick updates today. One, for the paint on the trunk that we goofed up last week, and two, the hood that we're continuing to work on, or at least the underside structure of the hood that we're continuing to work on. Before we talk about that, I did want to mention that there is a merch store down in the description. If you'd like to help support the channel, check out the stickers and the t-shirts and all that down there if that's something you're interested in. But let's take a look at what we got done on fixing the paint on the truck. So if you remember right, we had the decals wrinkle up on us. It was pretty bad. And I'd like to point out, I got a good comment about why this happened. And I think it's probably correct. I should have gone with lighter coats. I did do a light coat, and then I went kind of with a heavy coat. And I thought that light coat would set it. I should have gone light coat, light coat, light coat, light coat, light coat. And I think it might have still done the same thing. I don't know. But I think we would have had a lot better chance of it not wrinkling up on us. But neither here nor there, it did wrinkle up on us. So I started sanding the bad decals off. And to start sanding it, before I did any sanding, I actually taped around the trunk of the hood to make sure that I didn't affect any of the other paint, which is actually very good. And that way I could start sanding the trunk of the hood and not have to worry about hitting any of the paint. Now, I went ahead and removed that tape, since I've kind of hit it with some sandpaper and whatnot, and retaped the trunk so that then I could just spray paint, or lay down paint, and which I did. And I did 2 coats, which came out pretty nice. And then now we are at the point where I have actually wet sanded it. So I have wet sanded the paint, and it's ready for stripes to be applied. Now that's what brings us to where we are right now. The stripes on the trunk, easy. I could easily tape these and paint them, but I started looking at the hood, and you guys probably can't even see them, but the decals are here, the white decals here, and they have quite a bit of shape to them. They have to shape around the way the hood has shape to it, and then they narrow in the front, and then they round out in the front. So there's a lot of shape, which is going to be hard to do by hand. So the way I see this is there's probably 2 ways we can handle doing these decals, because I don't think I'm going to be able to do the one. Again, I could do the ones on the trunk by hand, just with a straight edge and a razor blade and cutting out vinyl and using that as a masking material. Don't think I could do it on the hood. So one option would be, which is an option I've thought about for a long time and I just haven't done, was getting a Cricut or some kind of vinyl cutting machine, because I could probably find, basically what I would have to do is scan in the stripes, convert them into a vector file, and then I could cut them on a Cricut. I could probably make that happen. The problem is Cricuts aren't for free. So I don't know if I could get that necessarily passed by the financial department right now. We just got a resin printer, all kinds of other equipment. I don't think I could get that passed. So the other option would be, well, finding another set of decals. So either, just trying to find a new set of decals, whether if that's available. And this is where I'm coming to you guys to ask the question, do you know, is there decals available just like maybe aftermarket or something available for the Monogram, the 1970 Monogram Heavy Chevy Chevelle kit? Is that available? Or maybe I just have to buy a new kit and then hope the decals are good? Because that's another thing, is most of these kits aren't new. Or maybe is there a newer kit? I'm sure this kit has been reissued. Do you guys know what that reissue would be? Where I know the decals would be new in them, and then I'll use the decals out of it, and I would still, if I bought the whole kit, I would have a Chevelle, if we want to do some kind of Chevelle build in the future, sans decals, of course, I would have the kit. So that would be okay. I wouldn't mind doing that as long as it's reasonably priced. I don't want to pay some ridiculous amount. So I'm asking you guys, do you know the best option for getting these decals? Because I think that's going to be the easiest way, the most economical, way to get the decals on. Just get a new set of decals and then do the light coat, light coat, light coat, light coat, light coat. I think that actually would have been okay had we done that. And I think, I think that would be okay. We could at least try it. And at the end of the day, if I buy a whole nother kit, I have another kit too. So it's not that big a deal to have, we could do some kind of Chevelle build in the future. So let me know what you guys, if you guys have any information, let me know down in the comment section. I really would appreciate it. But we also need an update on the hood. And that's what kind of started this all off, because I need to paint the hood also, which is going to get racing stripes put on it, which, I figured out, I can't do the racing stripes. So the hood situation is I'm still trying to build the structure underneath, and I was using the fabrication department to do that, which by themselves, it's just one employee over there in the fabrication department. So I thought I would bring on a new hire, because it's just not getting it done. I'm going to have to bring on a new hire to the fabrication department, and the new hire, both of those employees over there should be able to get it done for next week. So that's just a heads up on what's going on with the hood. Had to bring in some help to get the underside of the hood worked out. So look forward to that next week. Hopefully, either way around, I'm not going to probably be able to get, for next week, I'm probably not going to be able to get the decals in just for shipping time and all that kind of stuff. So what I think we'll do is try to get the underside of the hood finished. I'm going to really focus on that. And then also all of the undercarriage details finished also. So running all the lines and all the hoses, and just doing the undercarriage stuff, which would include putting in the exhaust and rear end section, maybe even starting on the front end section. But I'm going to try to get all that done, along with heavy focus on getting the underside of the hood done, because I'd love to get something that could be if it's something that you guys wanted. let me just get the words out. If it's something you guys wanted, it could be available for you guys to use also. So something that can be reproduced, if that makes sense. I don't want a bunch of custom work that has to go into it. I wanted something that can just set into the hood and then, and be used and reproduced. And if it's something you're interested in, if you're building a Chevelle, and you want that underside, the hood underneath, details also to be available for you. But let me know what you think so far down in the comments section. Please let me know the main purpose of this video today, sourcing out some decals for the car. Let me know down in the comments section. I really do appreciate it. If this is something you're enjoying, if you're enjoying this build, make sure and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when new builds come out. Every Monday, Chevelle is every Monday. So hit that like button if it's something you're enjoying. Hit the hype button if you're one of those hype people. Hype it up. I really would appreciate it. Do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I've got a lot of fabricating to do with the fabrication department on the underhood. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.